Let's walk through a bisque unload. Very exciting time for any ceramicist or potter. Starting with this piece, I haven't actually named this piece yet, but I do love the way it's sort of a fraction of a face. I used a groggier type of clay on this, so it's a little bit rougher than I'm used to, but very pumped to glaze this and see how the glaze holds. This piece is an exciting one. It's obviously, less than full size, but I really like her expression. This piece is one of my favorites. It's very expressive. It has a lot of different pieces to it. It is a metamorphic type woman who's incredibly exasperated and is changing. And I am so pumped that this came out of the kiln. This is a first draft of something I'm calling Series of Loft. I'm pumped to make a bunch more of these. The next couple of pieces you'll see, I was mostly just tinkering around. I like to make sure I'm touching clay every day and trying to, think of new ideas. And it's frequently easier to do that sort of in smaller pieces. So you can see here, I do a lot of work around just practicing eyes, practicing features, making sure that I feel like I can capture different emotions and structurally making sure that things look how I want them to look. This guy's a close-up of an eye. I really am fascinated with eyes, so I frequently will spend a lot of time doing close-ups and tinkering around with eyelashes. Until next time.